Top 5 Passive Income Ideas in the UK, 2025 edition. In today's fast-paced world, the idea of making money while you sleep is no longer a dream, it's a practical goal. Passive income has become a powerful financial strategy for many people in the UK who want to build wealth, gain financial independence, or simply diversify their income streams. Unlike active income, which requires ongoing effort, like a 9-to-5 job, passive income allows you to earn with minimal day-to-day involvement after an initial setup. Whether you're looking to boost your monthly earnings or work toward early retirement, there are plenty of opportunities to build passive income in the UK. In this article, we'll explore the top 5 passive income ideas available in the UK right now, including their pros, cons, and what it takes to get started. 1. Dividend investing. One of the most popular and accessible passive income sources in the UK is dividend investing. This involves purchasing shares in publicly traded companies that pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. These dividends can be paid quarterly, semi-annually, or annually and represent a steady stream of income once you've built up your investment portfolio. UK companies such as Legal & General, Unilever, National Grid, and British American Tobacco are known for offering solid dividend yields. The best way to start dividend investing in the UK is through a stocks and shares ISA, which allows you to invest up to £20,000 per year, with all gains and dividends protected from income tax and capital gains tax. There are also dividend-focused exchange-traded funds, ETFs, such as the Vanguard FTSE UK Equity Income Fund or iShares UK Dividend ETF, which spread your investment across multiple companies, reducing risk while still generating income. What makes dividend investing appealing is that once you've bought your shares, the income becomes largely passive, especially if you set up automatic dividend reinvestment. Over time, the power of compounding can significantly grow your wealth. However, it's important to remember that dividends are not guaranteed and are subject to company performance and broader economic conditions. Also, stock values can fluctuate, so it's wise to invest with a long-term mindset. 2. Rental income from property. Owning property is a time-tested way to earn passive income, and in the UK, buy-to-let investing continues to be a popular choice. With the right property in the right location, you can generate consistent monthly rental income while also benefiting from long-term capital appreciation. Cities like Manchester, Liverpool, Leeds, and Nottingham have shown strong rental yields, especially for student-lets or young professional markets. Getting started with property investment typically requires a significant upfront investment, usually at least a 25% deposit if you're using a buy-to-let mortgage. There are additional costs such as legal fees, stamp duty, with an extra 3% surcharge for second properties, and potential refurbishment. Once you've secured the property, you can choose to manage it yourself or hire a letting agent to take care of tenant sourcing, rent collection, and maintenance, making the process more hands-off. While rental income can be substantial, ranging from £500 to £2,000 plus per month depending on location and property size, it's not entirely risk-free. You'll need to factor in possible void periods, tenant issues, property wear and tear, and the impact of changing regulations or interest rates. Nonetheless, property remains a tangible, long-term investment that can offer both passive income and financial security. For those who want exposure to property income without owning a physical building, real estate investment trusts, REITs, offer a stock market-based alternative. These funds invest in commercial or residential property and distribute income from rents to shareholders, making them a lower cost and more liquid option. 3. Creating and selling digital products. With the growth of online marketplaces and digital platforms, creating and selling digital products has become one of the most scalable forms of passive income. This income stream involves creating a product once, like an ebook, online course, digital planner, printables, or templates, and then selling it repeatedly with little to no additional work. It's a perfect strategy for people with knowledge, skills, or creativity in a specific niche. Platforms such as ETSE, Gumroad, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, and Teachable make it easy to host and sell your digital products. For example, you could create a budgeting spreadsheet tailored to UK households, a fitness tracker, or a digital cookbook. With some marketing and SEO knowledge, your product could sell for months or even years without needing constant updates. One major advantage of digital products is that there's virtually no overhead or inventory cost. Once the product is created, profit margins are extremely high. You also have the flexibility to scale globally, with customers across the UK and beyond. On the downside, creating a high-quality product takes time, effort, and sometimes money upfront. There's also the challenge of standing out in competitive marketplaces. However, once you find a niche and build a loyal audience, the income can become largely passive. Many successful UK entrepreneurs use digital products as a complement to their personal brands, blogs, or YouTube channels. If you're already sharing useful information online, monetizing that knowledge with digital products is a natural next step. For peer-to-peer lending. Another increasingly popular form of passive income in the UK is peer-to-peer lending, P2P lending. This involves lending your money directly to individuals or small businesses via online platforms, and earning interest in return. Instead of going through a traditional bank, borrowers apply on P2P platforms, and you as the investor fund the loan, usually along with many others. Some of the best-known P2P lending platforms in the UK include Asses Capital, Folk2Folk, Cufflink, and LoanPad. These platforms offer a range of interest rates, typically between 4% and 10%, depending on the loan type and risk level. Some loans are secured against property or assets, offering added protection in the event of a default. P2P lending can be an attractive passive income source because it provides a predictable stream of returns, especially when reinvested. Many platforms offer automated investing features where your funds are automatically distributed across multiple loans to reduce risk and save time. You can also use an innovative finance IFSA, to shelter your returns from tax. However, P2P lending is not without risk. These investments are not protected by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, FSCS, and there's always the possibility that borrowers may default. Platform reliability is another factor. Some lenders have closed or faced liquidity issues in the past. That said, with proper research, diversification, and risk management, peer-to-peer lending can provide a reliable source of passive income. 5. Content creation, YouTube, blogging, or podcasting. Rounding out our list is one of the most modern and dynamic passive income ideas, content creation. Thanks to platforms like YouTube, Medium, WordPress, and Spotify, it's now easier than ever to build an audience and earn money from your content even years after it was first published. This makes content creation a hybrid between active and passive income, where the effort upfront can pay dividends for years. For example, creating a YouTube channel focused on UK finance tips, just like this one, can eventually lead to monetization through Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, brand sponsorships, and even digital product sales. Once a video is uploaded and starts ranking in search results, it can continue to bring in views and income passively. Similarly, writing blog articles on topics like best savings accounts in the UK or how to use a lifetime ISA can bring in consistent traffic and affiliate revenue if optimized correctly. Building a successful content brand does take time, patience, and consistency. You'll need to learn SEO, understand your niche, and publish regularly to grow an audience. But once you have a catalog of evergreen content, the income becomes increasingly passive. You can also repurpose content, turn blog posts into YouTube videos, videos into podcasts, and so on, maximizing your reach without duplicating effort. What's great about this model is that it's extremely low cost to start. A basic YouTube setup or blog can cost as little as £100 a year. And with potential earnings ranging from £100 to £10,000 plus per month, Content creation is one of the most scalable passive income streams available today. Final thoughts? Building passive income is one of the smartest ways to achieve long-term financial freedom. It doesn't mean you'll get rich overnight, but with consistent effort and strategic choices, you can slowly shift your income away from time for money exchanges. Whether it's through investing, property, lending, digital products, or content creation, the key is to start where you are and build from there. In the UK, there are more tools and platforms than ever before to help you on your journey. Start small, stay consistent, and reinvest your earnings wherever possible. Over time, these passive income streams can give you more freedom, more security, and more time to focus on what truly matters in life. So which one of these passive income ideas are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to save, invest, and grow your money in the UK.